Guys, it's that time again. It's time to talk trash. We're gonna go through all of the empty beauty products that I've accumulated over the past probably couple of months. I don't know, I used to try to do these monthly and then it was every other month and then it turned into like every 6 months. So I try to do it between, 1 and 6 months. And typically there's a lot of stuff that builds up. I feel like this is a fair amount. Not a ton of makeup, but a lot of skincare, a lot of hair care. And it seems like with my hair care, I rotate, so I only wash my hair like once or twice a week, and I rotate between like certain shampoos and conditioners, so it takes me a long time to finish something. But when I do, I typically finish up a ton all at once because it's like I've rotated through them all so much, and then they're all gone at the same time. So anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbing and show you guys my empty products. Okay, first thing right on top, I got a shampoo and conditioner by the brand Matrix. So this is the Oil Wonders Volume Rose shampoo and conditioner. I actually had these in my guest shower for a while, and then I ran out of something else that you're gonna see here in a minute, and I was like, dang, I need some shampoo and conditioner. So I had to pull these out of my guest shower to use them, and then I finished these up too. So I really do like this. If you like rose scents, you will probably love the smell of this. It says it's for fine hair, but I don't think I would consider my hair fine necessarily. It's not super thick, but it's not super thin either. And I think it worked really well for my hair. I wouldn't say it did wonders as far as volumizing my hair, but the smell is really good. So if you're a fan of rose, then you'll definitely like those. By the way, side note, I feel like Ulta has not had a true jumbo liter sale in a long time. They used to do their liter sale where it was like $14 or $15.99 for their liters, and they've had some sales recently, but not sales like that. Like their sales have been like $25 instead of $15, which is really only like a few dollars cheaper than what their liters typically are, so it's not really a sale. So I don't know if I'm alone here or what. If you guys know what's going on with Ulta's jumbo sales, let me know because I need more shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I also finished up my R&CO Atlantis moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. This is probably my favorite shampoo and conditioner. It does wonders to my hair, you guys. It makes it smell good. First of all, the smell is so nice. It just reminds me of the salon. Like it has a fresh, maybe slightly powdery scent to it, but I just associate it with the salon and I think it smells so good. But this Atlantis one, so Atlantis is like curling, smoothing, straightening, fine hair, thick hair, whatever. Atlantis is just like their version of moisturizing. It is so nice. I feel like when I use it, my hair is so soft. It feels stronger and I can blow dry it and I don't have to go in and straighten it. I love it. It's expensive. Ooh, is it expensive. I also finally finished up my R&CO scalp scrub. I went through a phase where I really liked this, and then I went through a phase where I really didn't like this. It's one of those, like, it's a physical exfoliator, so there's actual like salt particles in it, like a physical exfoliator. And I feel like it was really difficult for me to always completely wash it out of my hair. It did dissolve, but I feel like inevitably anytime I use any kind of physical exfoliator, there's always like bits of it left in my scalp. And like as I'm scratching my scalp, a couple of days later, I'm like, what the heck is that? Okay, as far as dry shampoo goes, I only have 2 bottles in here. So it typically takes me about a month to go through one of these jumbo sized bottles and a week or 2 to go through one of the little bottles. So I guess maybe it's been about a month and a half since I've done empties or filmed empties. The big bottles are definitely worth the price tag. You can get them off of Amazon or at places like TJ Maxx or Marshall's. They're $8.99. Highly recommend you go there to get it if you can, because these little bottles, which are quite a bit smaller, these are 6.7 ounces and these are 13.4 ounces, so more than double the size. These are $8 as well, $8.99 as well. They don't have all the scents in the big ones, but well enough. So this is my favorite dry shampoo. If you're somebody who goes like days without washing your hair like me, then your hair gets really greasy and you need like a powdery substance to soak up the oil. That's the best one I've found. Okay, as far as shower gel goes, Vanilla Bean Noel, I have only 2 of them? Yeah. So 2 Vanilla Bean Noels. Bath & Body Works is my favorite shower gel. It's my favorite lotion. They're always in my empties videos, so you guys already know that. Vanilla Bean Noel looks like these are from 2 different years. I have 2019 and 2018 here. I typically stock up during their semi-annual sale in January when the stuff is super discounted, and I'll buy enough to last me for the whole year. So I usually have Vanilla Bean Noel for the whole year, or multiple years, because I still have 2018. So there's that. And then as far as lotion goes, I have 2 Vanilla Bean Noel lotions, and then I have a Strawberry Pound Cake lotion. This is my favorite non-Christmas scent. It's so good. They have it right now for Valentine's Day or spring or whatever their line is right now. They debuted it for the first time last year, this time, and I fell in love with it. It smells so good. And then this looks like this is the last like shower product I have. It's the Bath & Body Works Exfoliating Body Scrub in their strawberry scent. So they have Strawberry Pound Cake, and then they also have just strawberry. There's a strawberry and a blueberry. I think this was limited edition because I haven't seen it in stores since like summer last year, maybe fall last year. This one smells really good. This one smells more like strawberry jello. Just a strawberry scent, whereas Strawberry Pound Cake is like a vanilla sweet. Okay, I have one deodorant in here. So Native is my favorite deodorant. I've talked to you guys about them all the time. I have never been sponsored by them. I have never been sent PR by them. They are truly just my favorite aluminum-free deodorant. I know people either love them or hate them. If you're looking for something that doesn't have aluminum in it, try it, give it a shot. They sell it at Target. This is the charcoal scent. It's like all busted because it's gone. This one has like a gray color to it, so it's really nice if you struggle with like having white marks on your shirt. Something like this isn't gonna leave the white marks. And it has a pretty fresh scent to it too, like a nice, I know it's called charcoal, which is deceiving. It actually smells pretty nice in my opinion. Okay, I got a few skincare items in here. So the first one is a jumbo huge tube of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is totally gone. I got this Black Friday last year, so 2019, and it lasted me the whole year, you guys. So I go through phases where I'll use this like strictly as my night cream, or sometimes I'll just use it on my neck and décolleté, or sometimes I'll use it all over my face, or sometimes on my arms. I don't know. I go through phases where I'll use it for different purposes, but I love this stuff. I'm tried and true. I've used it for years while I was pregnant, while I wasn't pregnant. I think it's the best. If you're looking for a really thick, but like for sensitive skin, it works good for eczema. It's just so good. You can also find it at TJ Maxx. I have a face wash in here. Same thing. Actually, I think I bought this at the same time as I bought the First Aid Beauty. So I bought this Black Friday 2019, the Philosophy Purity face wash. Again, it took me the whole year to finish this. So it's one of those like annual purchases. I only have to buy one a year. This is another thing where it says it's a $30 value, but I got it for $15. So keep an eye out for those Black Friday sales. They really are worth it, and you really can save a ton of money. Or look at places like TJ Maxx. But Purity is one of my favorite face washes. I will typically use this as my nighttime face wash. And then I have like a different face wash in the shower for like daytime or when I shower. But it's nice and sensitive. It has a nice scent to it. Some people use it to wash their brushes. I have another face product in here, moisturizer. It's by Drunk Elephant. It's their Lala Whipped Cream, Lala Retro Whipped Cream Facial Moisturizer. This is one of my favorite facial oh my god, I can't talk today. Facial moisturizers. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but I do feel like it lasts a really long time. It's nice and thick. So for a while there, I was using this as my daytime moisturizer, and then the First Aid Beauty as my nighttime moisturizer. This one's really cool because it has those airless pumps. So you just push the top and the product comes out the top, which I think is so cool. I have an eye cream in here by, oh no, this is not an eye cream. This is a facial cream. This is like the size of an eye cream. I remember I got this when I was traveling. I think I got it like on my honeymoon or something like that. And when I ran out of this, I was like frantically trying to find other moisturizers to use. So I went into my travel size like stash that I have, and I pulled this out, and I finished this one up too, so it's totally gone. So the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream, this is another pretty good ultra facial cream. I don't love it as much as the Drunk Elephant. I would kind of prefer Drunk Elephant. But Drunk Elephant you can only find at Sephora, whereas now Kiehls is available at Ulta and Sephora, so it's just a little bit more readily available at different places. Okay, just a few more things left. So I have a Kirkland Daily Facial Towelettes package here. These are the face wipes that I use. I like to use makeup erasers, which is basically like a facial washcloth, as much as possible, but sometimes it's just necessary to use a disposable wipe, like when you're traveling or things like that. I mean, it takes me ages to go through a packet like this, like months. The next thing I have is a lash serum by GrandeLash MD. This stuff is so good, you guys. I have a couple of backups of this, but if you are looking for an over-the-counter lash enhancing serum, this one is so good. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it works, you guys. This is what got my lashes to be as long as they are. It took a good 3-4 weeks to start seeing a difference, but once you start seeing a difference, it's like, holy moly, my lashes are really long. And then you can kind of go a good stretch of time without using it and your lashes stay long. So like, I ran out of this. Now I have a backup now, but I didn't for a while. So I went a couple of weeks without using it, and I feel like my lashes are still pretty dang long. And then 2 more things. I have a brow box by Urban Decay. So this is the product that I use to fill in my hairline. I definitely have the postpartum hair loss, like patches. It's starting to grow back, but I mean, it's still there. So anytime I pull my hair back, I will go in with a brow powder and just kind of like fill in the bald spots. Pro tip for you, this is the Dishwater Blonde, Bathwater Blonde. It's basically the dirty blonde color by Urban Decay. This is the old packaging, so I remember when they switched over to the new packaging, they put all of their old packaging at TJ Maxx, and I found a bunch of them for like $5. And I stocked up. The last thing I have in here is a brow pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Brow Wiz in the color Taupe. This is my favorite brow pencil. It's actually the brow pencil I'm wearing today. I tend to always have a backup of something like this, or not something like this exact product in my collection, because I just feel like when in doubt, when in a rush, just use the Brow Wiz. Like, it's good, it's tried and true. It has that teeny tiny little pointy tip on it. So if you need to recreate natural brow flex, this is perfect. It's my go-to. Okay guys, well that is my empties for this round. I hope that you enjoyed watching me kind of go through my empty products. I hope that you enjoy these videos. I know they're one of my favorites to watch, so I don't know, I just like to see what people truly finish up completely, because when you do that, you can really tell whether or not you like something, you know? And typically if you use the whole thing, you probably like it. So these are kind of like the holy grail videos, you know? So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and I will talk to you next time. Mwah.